Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Flow Scenarios. So in this series we are going to see next scenario, that is sending an email notification to the opportunity owner whenever an opportunity's amount exceeds $1 lakh. So whenever an opportunity's amount is greater than $1 lakh, in that case we are sending a email notification to the opportunity owner. So here we have to send an email notification. For that we have to create an email template. So email template contains the data what we are sending to the particular user. So we have to configure accordingly. We are taking the email template name notify user for high amount opportunity. Also, to call this email template, we have to create email alert. So email alert is a thing where we are going to configure the user to whom we are sending the email. So email alert also we are going to create by the name notify user for high amount opportunity, and our flow name is record triggered flow 3, as this is the third scenario we are seeing for the record triggered flow. So the name would be record triggered flow 3 send email for high opportunity amount. So we are going to do this scenario with record triggered flow. So let's do this. So let's log into our Salesforce account by providing the username and password. Hit the login button. So before creating the flow, let's see opportunity object. So here I am going to search for opportunity. So let's open this opportunity. So what I am going to do the automation by creating the record triggered flow. So whenever the opportunity, so suppose here is an opportunity and the amount is exceeding $1 lakh or it is going to be greater than $1 lakh. In that situation we are sending a email notification to the opportunity owner. So to this user we are sending a email notification that the amount is greater than $1 lakh. So suppose we have to do some more automation if the amount is exceeding $1 lakh. So we have to notify the opportunity owner that this particular opportunity amount is greater than $1 lakh. So in order to create the flow, we need to click on setup, choose setup. So here in the quick find box, search for flows, click flows. So we are in the setup page of flows. So we need to click on here, new flow. So it is opening the flow builder, and here we are getting a pop-up like we have to choose new flow. Either we can go with start from scratch or use a template. So we are going with start from scratch. Click next, and here we have to select the type. So we are going with a record triggered flow. Click create. So to create the record triggered flow, we have to select the object, then we have to configure the trigger, and then we have to define the entry condition. So first we are going to select the object. So as per the scenario we have to go with opportunity object. So let's choose this. Then we have to configure the trigger. So whenever a record is created or updated, So in that situation we have to go with this radio button whenever a record is created or updated. So in both the situation it is possible that opportunity amount is being greater than 1 lakh dollar. So if it is first time creating the record, maybe opportunity amount is going to be more than 1 lakh dollar, or if someone is updating the existing record, then also maybe it is going to exceed the amount more than 1 lakh dollar. Then we have to set the entry condition. So here condition requirement I am going with and condition. Let's go with the condition that opportunity stage is closed one. So when the opportunity stage is closed one, then we have to run this flow to update the records. So every time a record is updated and meets the condition requirement, or only when a record is updated to meet the condition requirement, we are going with first radio button. Every time a record is updated and it is meeting the condition, then we have to send the email notification and then optimize the flow for fast field updates. So flow is running before the record is saved into the database, and actions and related records is going to perform when flow runs after the record is saved to the database. So we are going with this option. So let's save this. So here I am providing the label for this flow, record triggered flow 3, as this is the third scenario in record triggered flow. Send email for high amount opportunity. So let's save this. So here we are getting an error. You cannot activate this flow until you resolve an error. So up to now we had not put the start condition. So let's do that. Close this. So now I am going to create an email template. So let's come back here and search for email template. So I am going with classic email templates. Open link in new tab. So here it is opening classic email templates. So let's click on new template, and in the step 1 email template, new email template, we are going with text. So we have to click on next button. Then we have to configure this template in the step 2. So text email template, this one, it is going to save in the folder unfilled public classic email templates available for use. We need to check this checkbox to use this template. So email template name. So here I had provided the email template name, notify user for high amount opportunity. So description and subject. So subject I am providing high amount opportunity, and here I am putting the opportunity name. So how to put the opportunity name? So I need to select opportunity fields and select field opportunity name. So opportunity name, copy this merge field, and here we have to put high amount opportunity. So opportunity name. So in the email body, dear opportunity owner. So I have to go with opportunity owner from here. So opportunity owner full name. So here I am putting owner full name. Dear opportunity owner, there is an update for high volume opportunity. So here opportunity name, again we have to put from here opportunity name. So this one copy, and again I have to paste here, and amount. So I am putting the amount here, amount. So this one I need to copy and put over here. Have a look on this. Thanks. So in this email template, what we are doing, so this email template is stored in this folder, unfilled public classic email templates available for use. We have to check this checkbox. Email template name is notify user for high amount opportunity. So unique name and description also we can provide description for the good practice. Subject high amount opportunity, and here we are putting the opportunity name. So dear opportunity owner full name, there is an update for high volume opportunity. So here opportunity name and amount. So opportunity amount. Have a look on this and thanks. So this is our email template. So let's save this. So we had created the email template. Also we have to create an email alert. So again coming back here and searching for email alert. So let's right click, open link in new tab. So here it is opening email alerts. Let's click on continue. To create a new email alert, we have to click on new email alert. So here we have to provide the description, unique name, object name. So we are going with the object name as opportunity. So opportunity, and email template what we had created right now, that one we have to choose from the email template. So we had created right now notify user for high amount opportunity. So let's select this. Also we are going to provide the name for this email alert, notify user. To avoid the conflict, so I am going to take the same name as we had provided in the email template, notify user for high amount opportunity. Recipient type search, here we have to go with owner. So opportunity owner, click add. So let's save this. So we had created the email alert, notify user for high amount opportunity, and we had taken the recipient opportunities owner. So let's come back to our record triggered flow. So here just click on this plus symbol. Before that let's refresh. So let's click on this add element. So here we need to search for notify. So here it is coming, notify user for high amount opportunity what we had created, the email alert. So let's click on this. So here I am providing the label send email for high amount opportunity, and here I have to put record ID, means record triggering opportunity dot id. So that particular opportunity id. So this one, let's save this. So here we are not seeing any error or warning. Also let's activate this flow. So your flow was activated. So again coming back to our opportunity. So here let's create a new opportunity. Also we need to refresh this. So here I am going with test opportunity, record triggered flow 3, close date. So I am going with today's date, and stage I am going with closed one, and amount I am going with 2 lakh. So I am going with the amount more than 1 lakh dollar. So let's click save. As this is meeting the criteria, stage is closed one. So let's save this. So the opportunity owner for this particular opportunity is Salesforce network. So let's open the email. So if I am going with the email, so here we are getting one new mail, high amount opportunity. So opportunity name we had taken test opportunity, record triggered flow 3. So this is our opportunity name. Dear Salesforce network is the username. There is an update for high volume opportunity. So this is the opportunity name and amount. So amount is this one. Have a look on this. Thanks. So this we had created in the email template, and in the email alert we had configured this user. So it's done. Thanks for watching.